we are, guys. We finally made it. We finally found a nice clean Subaru at a certified dealer. The asking price is a little high. It's almost $19,000, and I already just picked up bird shit off the car.
Yeah, that's a flower. No, it was a flower, so it was meant to be.
Let's get a walk around of the car.
We're really trying to find something wrong with it to point it out that we can lower the price.
So far the paint job's pretty nice. The headlights don't have any condensation on it. They're not foggy. Signature hood scoop, and this is the WRX. The STIs were pretty hard to find. There weren't that many in the area.
I also want, like, I didn't want an STI. I do want an STI, but I kind of want it to be the bug eye, because STI hatchbacks are always like, someone already did something to it, so I'll never get it, like... Exactly. I'll never know what they did to it sometimes, and, like, I don't want to be bugged when I grab it.
You're going to have to pay registration soon, though.
Have to what?
You're going to have to pay registration soon.
I don't know.
April 2018.
Let's back up right here. It's got a quad exhaust with the rally armor mud flaps.
I like the white.
Rear taillights, they're alright.
I mean, I can always change them.
I really like the wheels. It looks like they put some gel on the tires. That's good right here. It's got like a little like bike rack. It's got like a CHP antenna on the roof. Yeah. Look at the antenna. Looking on the inside, it's pretty clean right there. It's a 5-speed manual. They actually washed the interior. Looks like the seats have been shampooed. It's not open, so we'll worry about that later. But other than that, I can't really find anything wrong with it, so we can't really justify lowering the price, other than maybe saying that the license plate's pretty ugly. We don't really want that on there. Why is that their thing? Oh baby. Yeah, but basically buying one of these is like buying like a clean slate.
I love how it already comes with these things. I always call them bike racks, but I just call them like cute little hairstyles.
Hairstyles?
It's perfect.
Yeah, it suits the car, and it's actually the brand. It's not an aftermarket brand.
I'm such a girl right now when it comes to the car. I'm like, it's cute.
It's cute, but let me open it.
TR and the one that Melissa sent me. Yeah. I was like, Mom, that's my future car. She's like, when you have money, do whatever the fuck you want.
Do you know the way?
No.
This may be the one. We just need to drive it. Honestly, think it's gonna drive perfect. I think I low-key like it. This is a good thing about it right here. So the car's on, and it's got dealer warranty, limited warranty, and the dealer will pay 50% of the labor, 50% of the parts of the cover system that fell during the warranty period. What'd you think about it?
I mean, it drives good.
It drives good?
Yeah,
I like
the brakes are pretty good. I don't know, I was babying it because, you know, I don't care.
Hey, did you feel the turbo?
You can hear the blow-off valve.
Yeah.
Really? The radio was louder than that. So we're gonna work out the finance stuff, and we'll get back to you guys on that.
So, I guess someone else had an appointment to drive the car and look at it, and we came at 12:38. I think he came like at 1?
Yeah, he came at 1.
Like 1, and he touched over probably like 10 minutes after we were doing the paperwork. And then our salesman told him, don't let him test drive it. I already have it sold. Like, just don't do it. And they both went to go talk to the manager, and I guess he got the keys. I think I trusted the car. And then when they came back, and for her application, and then he told him, you can't sell it. You already sold it to us. And I guess the guy got pissed off. And he stormed down, kicked the chair.
And that fool walked out with nothing. He walked back in his Lexus and he drove off. He was pissed. He was done with this place. So now we're just getting some cash for the down payment, and that's it. Is it sketchy or what?
Wait, did you put this shit on? It's fucking fast X.
What did this fucking Walter White paid you or what?
My cheesecake pays you.
That's how much they pay you?
Yeah, they pay me in quarters.
Every 2 weeks? So we're just about done here. We're just collecting down payments. And then that's it. You mind if I buy a soda with this?
No.
Sarah's actually in there. She's finalizing the deal, getting all that last minute paperwork done. I already gave the down payment and show you guys the amount she's carrying.
Oh,
it's
I'm smoking dicks.
it's got like a clear cover. It's got like XPEL on it, but these are like some dents right here. They really detail the rims. They're kind of fading from the paint job right there, but that's nothing to worry about. It's got the regular brakes. It's got a very small disc. Super clean though. Alright, here's the thumbnail right here.
And this shit's pretty nice. I like the seats. I wish it said STI.
Alright, so as you guys can tell, we're actually in the car right now. Everything went through perfectly. We got the car. It's actually in really nice condition. They took the time to detail the whole interior, the floor mats, the seats. Well, it was already perfect to begin with, but they just, just went over a couple little minor things. How you feeling right now?
Look at Sarah.
Oh, I can't even see that. This shit, this shit can't even zoom in. It's taking the white car right there. It's the original owner. Look.
You mean the real owner, the original?
So there it is. They got 69,054 miles, which is pretty damn good for a 2012. That's not that bad. The all-wheel drive feels pretty good in here. You can actually feel it. It's got no differential control. Usually the ones will be right here, but those are only for the STI ones, which we couldn't find, so we're not tripping about that. Any thoughts? How's the drive?
The drive is good. It's like driving a new car. It feels right though, all-wheel drive.
You can actually feel the all-wheel drive?
Yeah, kind of. Like, it feels a lot different. Like,
So ready to take it to the snow?
Shut the fuck up.
This thing's lowered or what?
No, but
You never know?
safe to be sorry. I don't know the ground. I mean, it's not fucking low or anything, but like, you better know the ground clearance. Wait, where's the gas cap? It's on the passenger, right?
I have no idea, to be honest.
It's on the passenger.
Well, I'm on the passenger.
This passenger side. This is like.
So in shock, I feel weird.
You're overwhelmed?
I'm overwhelmed.
Look, you have a phone holder in the middle.
Oh wow, I actually have something there. Unlike Eric's that has nothing but hopes and dreams.
Here lies Squidward's hopes and dreams.
So it looks like Sarah's gonna be taking over the vlog because I'm gonna be driving back the Honda Accord back by myself.
Oh, but you
And she's gonna be right here riding shotguns to see how the little car works and how the gears function, huh?
So guys, I'm in my car. Eric's driving it because I'm not comfortable because I'm too excited and I think I'm too overwhelmed. I'm like kind of in shock and the last thing I want to do is to freak out while driving a manual. I literally feel like I'm dreaming, but I feel like I'm gonna like be, yeah, I'm pretty happy. It runs smooth already. I'm noticing. Eric, can you take off for me?
I don't want to take off with them though.
Aww. We're going for 16 miles. Well, 14 now. Ignore the nails. I'm sorry, guys. If you're not ready, you're not ready. Don't do it.
Well, I mean, I can downshift, but it's just like, I don't want to. They're really clear.
This camera's pretty cool.
Shit, dude. I almost went 100. This car gets like.
But you gotta do it again, though. You gotta lower it down. So explain what you're gonna do.
Alright, I'm gonna launch, pretty much. Well, I'm gonna stop on the gas, but I'm gonna downshift real quick. You hear the ball valve?
Yeah. I like it.
You can feel the turbo lag, which is kind of nice.
I got my own little turbo, guys.
Something I never felt.
Go 5 speed, but it's cute.
It goes, it goes.
It goes with me. I'm not ready for the
I'm talking
crazy
about,
car.
like, except for on the gas, it goes.
Yeah, it still works, but like what I'm saying is like I'm not ready for no crazy car. Still gotta adjust. So I made the right decision, right?